Hello guys.
Ojo. Materuni.
Materuni.
Materuni village.
Pra jemi në fshatin Materuni. Për mua është jashtë planifikimeve, pasi që arritëm më kthy një ditë para planifikimeve të ngjitjeve, domethënë ka mali Kilimanjaro. Sot e kisha ditë lirë dhe Innocenti më propozoi të dalim në vizitë në një ujvare dhe fshat të quajtur Materuni, dikun 20 km larg qytetit të Moshi. Me të vërtet shumë ditë impresive, duke parë pemë të ndryshme tropikale, lisa, bim, të cilat do të mundohem të ndaj me juve.
Call it lantana trifolia. Lantana trifolia is the medicine. When you get a dead, you get a crack, you put this like a medicine for the crack.
Like antibiotic.
Yeah, like antibiotic.
Sugar cane. You see, this is a local bar. Yeah. So, if you want to drink beer or banana wine or what, whatever, yeah. You drink one and then we go.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Yeah, you do. Johnny. Yes.
For making banana beer and banana wine.
Banana wine.
In Chaga, call it ndizi ng'ombe.
Ndizi ng'ombe.
Yeah,
Ndizi ng'ombe.
Ndizi ng'ombe.
Ah, okay.
Banana in Swahili, call it ndizi.
Ndizi.
This is our pub.
Ndizi in Swahili language.
Yeah,
Yes.
ndizi.
So this is the grocery. But now is no time for drinking, that's why they close it. But it's a grocery. And also this is also
Local bar.
You can go upstairs or downstairs.
Game is open, people celebrate.
Yeah. People dancing, eating. You can take it and then he will change it.
Anataka kukishika.
Shika tu.
It's not dangerous.
It's not dangerous.
Usiache kwanza kitakurukia. Weka mkono kwa umbali ili kinanili. Kipande. Mwambie atulie hapo hapo.
Oh.
With the chameleon. Hakuna matata.
Hakuna matata.
Yeah, Materuni. Yeah. You see it change the color and then you put it back.
Yeah.
Muonyeshe hapa tena.
Who live on the slope of mountain Kilimanjaro, plant big tree, and as a big tree plant banana. Under the banana plant organic Arabica coffee. Because organic Arabica coffee do not need much sun, do not need much water. So you close with big tree and we close with the banana. During for the sun season, banana have amount of water received, share water, coffee and banana.
Pra, jemi këtu në llojin e kafës arabe, arabik kafe. Pra kombinimi I kafës, njëtin kohë me bananën. Si që thashë më herët, bananët përdoren për ushqimin familjar, për nevojat e familjes, ndërsa kafja mlidhet dhe shitet, që është kryesisht domthon kafe ose kafe arabe ose arabike, që është bio sepse jemi në lartësi 1800 metra.
Wow. Don't touch it with the clothes.
Jam në fshatin Materuni, diku 20 km nga Boshit. Jam duke bërë gondolimin në shëndetin e avokadove. Ka plantacione të bananeve, kafshë, tropikale.
Okay, so this is the mango tree.
Leave like a sign. I'm close there.
Yeah.
When you come, so you know, oh, my friend is gonna go this side. So it's like a sign.
Yeah.
It's a sign plan.
Woohoo! Materuni! Woohoo! 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 Woohoo!
Also, buffet.
Yeah.
Also, you have
Kafja është
Rice.
tradicional.
yeah, traditional
This
rice,
is what?
beans,
Beans.
rice, white rice,
Yes.
banana with yam potato. Yeah. Also, you have pilau,
Yeah.
rice, also
Rice.
vegetable, and also you have beef sauce, cow, and also you have spinach, and also here you have. Oh, yeah, chef, you go.
This is pepper.
This is spinach. Yeah, spinach.
This banana food.
Yeah, that's a banana. A banana cooking. Cooking banana. And this is the rice colored. We call it Zanzibar. It's the same, but it's colored. That's beef sauce.
So you have two berries, and also musta, all one down in shape. And also if it's so large, sometimes you're gonna see three. But normally for Arabica coffee is two berries like this. And all this is the whole process about coffee. First, until to be green, July is time for flowering. After July, the day and ago will come the beans. After beans, the day and ago to become the reds like this. When the red like this, harvest for pick it. So the coffee there are three shapes. First one is red one. Second one is supposed to be dried. After removing the beans, you're supposed to remove this local machine. The way you're gonna remove it, you know the place, you know the good coffee and the bad coffee. And the good coffee, because you're gonna put near the big bucket. You also put a lot of water in order to know the good, and and also in order to know the bad. The good coffee, they're sinking down in the water. The bad one, the float one. One day we wash it, we remove the bad one, and then take the good one, put near the wire mesh in order to be dried. Yeah, after be dried, and also when you pick it, you can put here. Take a lot of beans of coffee, and then you put in, and then you put small amount of water in order to give machine easy to roll it. The action we do here is called zungusha. Zungusha means rolly. Zungusha. Zungusha kawa yetu. Zungusha tufurahi. See? See the shell of coffee? The shell come back, the beans and foam. And also normal this is the place to know the good coffee and the bad coffee. Put it too much water. The bad one, the big floating. The good one, the sinking down. Yeah. One day we wash it. After washing, we take the bad one. We also put near the farm. And then we take the good one. The good one like this. The good one, we go to put near the wire mesh. We have to be dried. After dried, we take 4 weeks for dry. Normal here the last village, not too much sun. Yeah. Also it's be dried enough, not the sun. Now we go to pound it. We use the local machine. It's called mortar and pistol. And all the pistol, pound it. Remove the shell. So put here. Normal. The kind of water or oil just put on cook.
Ekanga jambo bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana wageni, wakaribishwa Kilimanjaro, hakuna matata, tembea pole, hakuna matata, Materuni mmefika, hakuna matata, na chakula mmekula, hakuna matata, na kahawa.
Malu say saga. Saga. Moda. Habi.
Check it out.
Normal here, say strong coffee. Strong coffee. Chupa ya mbele ile ile.
Long life. Yes. Maisha marefu. Yes.
Maisha marefu.
Maisha marefu. Yes.
Hakuna kitu kama ndege. Wow.